This video will go ahead and show you how to go and define user-defined payments for online ordering systems such as Grubhub, Seamless, Eat24, those type of online ordering systems which you may be using in your restaurant. And you're going to want to be able to track those sales. You're going to want to make sure that you can track those sales and know exactly how much money they owe you at the end of every weekly period or monthly period. So to do it, the first thing you're going to do is exit the front of the house software or minimize it, and you're going to go to the back of the house. You enter your manager code, you enter the back of the house software. So now we're going to go here to System, and we're going to go down to where it says User-Defined Payments. And here we can go ahead and define the payment type called Grubhub, for instance. So if you accept Grubhub, you're going to want to go ahead and type Grubhub here. And you're going to want to say requires tip entry, because many of these online services allow the individual user to add a tip for the driver if you have delivery driver. If you don't, if you're just takeout or whatnot, you can not put a check mark here, and then it won't prompt you for the tip. So I press save, and there's Grubhub. Now I can put another one, let's say Seamless Online. That's another popular one. And I'll save that. So now I've defined them in the back of the house. So now how does it work in the front of the house? Well, when you go into the front of the house and make a sale, and we're going to go ahead and do that right now. And I'm going to go to quick service, for instance, and I'll sell a slice of pizza or whatever it is, because that's what came in on the online order, or it could be an entire pizza or whatever it is. Okay, you just take it right off of your email or your fax or your little smart pad, wherever your order comes in from all of these different services. And now I press the settle button. Okay, and now it's going to come up with the settle screen, where I can use a credit card or cash, but in this case it's going to be Grubhub. So I go here to the Other Payments button right here, press Other Payments, and I select Grubhub with my finger, and I press enter, and it's going to ask me for the tip. And in the event that somebody gave a tip, like in this example, they gave a $2 tip, I enter that amount. It'll ask me if I'm sure I want to pay that out. I say yes, and that's it. Now the sale's paid out to Grubhub. If I had another sale that was made to Seamless or any of the other companies, I would just do the same thing, press settle, and then I press Other Payments, and I go to Seamless, say okay. No tip was given, so I press OK, and I say yes, I'm paying it out to Seamless. And that's it. So now at the end of the period, whether it be a week, a month, or whatever, I go here to the back office again. I go up to my reporting. I go to sales reporting, and I go to payment summary. And then I enter the date range for whatever check I'm expecting to get, or ACH I'm expecting to get for that period. And it'll show me here Eat24 and Grubhub, or whatever the payment amounts are, right here on this report. Let me go ahead and make it visible on the recorded screen. And there it is. So I can go ahead and see Grubhub, $7.96, Restaurant.com, any of these companies, Eat24. You can have as many as you want to use. Many restaurants now are using as many as they can use, because it brings them business. So here's the way to know how much money you should expect to be receiving from those methods of payment for any designated time period. Thank you for watching this video.